Welcome back. So here we'll be able to go through our simulation as we have designed it. So again, the controls are always visible from the pause menu, but for desktop it is WASD or the arrow keys to move, left click or E to grab objects, X to drop them, C to crouch, and other methods of interacting are holding the right mouse wheel or button in order to rotate your view. So here we are in the virtual chemistry lab, and we are instructed to wear our safety glasses and gloves. We can hide these controls here by going to this arrow here, but they are reiterated here. Also, the notifications of the chat of what we have here is always visible, or can be displayed as such, and is always available to the user. So here we're going to use the safety glasses first, and then the gloves. Okay, we can use the Bunsen burner to turn it on. You can see the flame shows up. Then we are instructed to grab the spatula. We can collide it with whichever sample we want to test. I'm just going to go left to right. We can see our sample is now present, and we can burn our sample by clicking on the Bunsen burner.
Strontium gives crimson red color in the flame test. It is due to the excitation of electrons by the thermal energy, which is then followed by the excitation of electrons to ground state along with liberation of light in the visible range.
Okay, and our flame is back to normal, so let's clean our sample or our spatula off and grab the next sample.
The halogen present in the compound reacts with copper to form a volatile copper halide which imparts blue or green color to the flame.
And last but not least, let's test our last sample.
Potassium is colorless or in white, but when it is heated, it produces violet flame due to excitation of the electrons to the higher energy orbitals. Potassium burns with light purple colored flame.
Alright, so here we are at our quiz. The correct answer is green, which if this is accurate, it will take us to the correct branch and let us know as such. That is correct. Excellent. And so with this, we have our progress of what it is that we did and the performance notes that we added of using the glasses first, which we did in this case. So with this, that would conclude our simulation. We want to exit back to our home screen. Join me in the next video where I talk about some additional changes that you can make to your simulation to make it a little bit more interactive than it was before and adding intelligence utilizing the AI systems. Thank you.